Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we are solving previous year's board papers in a chapter-wise pattern, in a chapter-wise manner. Today, students, we will solve from question number 13. If you not watched the solution up to question number 12, then you can see my previous videos. Okay, so let's begin from question number 13. So in this question number 13, it is asked that how can you convert the followings. The first one is the but1 to to 1 iodobutane. But1 to 1 iodobutane. Okay, this is but1 and this is 1 iodobutane. So if you want to convert this one, you can't do it in a single step. For that reason, we have to convert this one at first 1 bromobutane. Okay, we can convert this one into 1 bromobutane by treating but1 with HBr along with peroxide. I repeat it once again. When but1 is treated with HBr with peroxide, then it will give CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 Br. Okay, in the next step, when 1 bromobutane is treated with sodium iodide in acetone, then then you will get CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2I as the major product. Let's come to the next one, benzene to acetophenone. This is benzene and this is COCH3. This is acetophenone. Okay, when benzene is treated with acetyl chloride, that is CH3 COCl with anhydrous aluminium chloride, then CH3CO group will attach to this benzene ring and you will get the acetophenone. The third one is ethanol to propane nitrile. Ethanol is CH3 CH2 OH. When ethanol is treated with SOCl2, then you will get CH3 CH2Cl, that is 1-chloroethane as the main product. When ethyl chloride or 1-chloroethane is treated with KCN in aqueous ethanolic solution, then you will get CH3 CH2 CN. This is K plus Cn minus will attack this carbon and this will cleave this carbon chlorine bond by this SN2 reaction. Now let's come to the next one, aniline to bromobenzene. When aniline, this is aniline, at first you have to convert aniline into benzene diazonium chloride. How you can do? At first you have to convert this one into benzene diazonium chloride by treating aniline with sodium nitrite with HCl at 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. Okay, in the next step, when benzene diazonium chloride is treated with CuBr HBr, then you will get the bromobenzene. The next question is question number 5th, chlorobenzene to 2-chloroacetophenone. Chlorobenzene is This one is the chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene, when treated with CH3, CO, Cl with anhydrous Al, Cl3, then you will get 2-chloroacetophenone along with 4-chloroacetophenone. Okay, this is 2-chloroacetophenone, this is 2-chloroacetophenone, and this is 4-chloroacetophenone. Okay, now let's come to the next question, that is question number 6. The question number 6 is chloroethane to butane. Chloroethane is CH3, CH2, Cl. You have to convert this one into butane, that is CH3, CH2, single bond CH2, single bond CH3. Students, here I want to tell you about one thing, that is here the alkyl group is CH3, CH2, and here this one is CH3, CH2 is combined with another CH3, CH2. If we consider this one as the R, then we can easily say that RCl by means of this reaction converts into R single bond R. Okay, this reaction is nothing but this reaction RCl, where sodium in dry ether. We know about that this reaction is known as the Wurtz reaction, R single bond R. We know about that, this thing. So here CH3 CH2Cl, CH3 CH2Cl, when this one will be treated with sodium in dry ether, then you will get CH3 CH2 single bond CH3 CH2, CH3 CH2 single bond CH3 CH2. Okay, this reaction is the Wurtz reaction. Okay, now let's come to the question number 7. Bromobenzene to 2-bromoacetophenone. We can see that the same type of questions repeats in this one 2015 and in the another set of 2015. Okay, so this is simply, if you treat this bromobenzene with CH3 COCl with anhydrous aluminum chloride, then CH3CO group will comes at this ortho position, that is CO CH3. Okay, thus you will get 2-bromoacetophenone. Now the next one is the question number 8. 2-bromobutane to but2ene. 2-bromobutane, that is CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH Br single bond CH3. This is 2-bromobutane. We have to convert 2-bromobutane into but2ene. You have to convert this one into but2ene. How we can convert 2-bromobutane to but2ene? Just by this dehydrohalogenation reaction. I told you about that dehydrohalogenation, that can be done by using strong base. For that reason we have to use alcoholic KOH. Okay, or you can use sodamide also. Now let's come to the next question, that is question number 9. Question number 9 is prop-1 in to 1-fluoropropane. Prop-1 in, that is, this is prop-1 in, or prop 1 in when treated with HBr with peroxide, then you will get 1 bromo propane. Here HBr will combine by this and by this anti-Markovnikov's rule. Now when this one will treated with AgF, this is the Schwartz reaction, we know about that. When 1 bromopropane is treated with AgF or Hg2F2, then you will get CH3 CH2 single bond CH2 single bond F, that is fluoropropane. Thus we can convert prop 1 into 1 fluoropropane. The next one is the ethanol to propane nitrile. Ethanol is CH3 CH2 OH. If you treat this one with SOCl2, then you will get CH3 single bond CH2 single bond Cl, that is chloroethane. Now when chloroethane is treated with KCN in aqueous ethanolic solution, then you will get propane nitrile, that is CH3 CH2 single bond C single bond N. Okay, so students, these are all about the solution of this type of conversions. Okay, in our next class I will tell about the solutions from the question number 14th. Okay, then thank you students.